What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So I wanted to give you guys an update as to what happened with the launch of Shibarium. I'll let you know that I am happy to say that I was wrong about not getting Shibarium. Now, I know that it was always a chance that we still might, but then also understood that there was a possibility that we might not. And I wanted to make sure that I look at all angles of things. I look at the worst case scenario and the best case scenario because what we got, we're in the middle and people are happy with it. Um, so I wanted to talk about this announcement and what I felt like the whole 15-minute slot or 20-minute slot, um, you know, really was all about and how I felt about it, while also talking about what comes next. So guys, hit the like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And if you want to follow me on Twitter, at Perry8K, you can follow me over there. Don't forget about some of the other links that are in the description. That does help out the channel. It helps out just everything if you do check out some of those links. So thank you to all the people that were in the live stream today, whether it was early morning live stream or the live stream during Shatoshi's announcement. There were a lot of people that had super chats, a lot of people that liked and subscribed, and we hit 200,000 subscribers today. So thank you, every single person. I never thought I would get to this point. Honestly, I was just looking to, do what I love to do, which is talk about finances, talk about investing, talk about credit cards, talk about anything that I can talk about. So I'm so appreciative of everything that has, come to me and my channel and my family. So thank you so much for everything you guys have done. But now let's get into some of the good information that we had for today, right? We knew that he was going to have his, keynote, and it was supposed to be about a 15 to 20-minute slot or so. And the build up to it was definitely interesting, having different people that were on, and people made me laugh talking about Larry the Cable Guy and get Lamar back on the stage and all this stuff, or Lamont back on the stage. It was hilarious. So I got a couple of laughs out of that. But when the actual announcement started, right, they started out with the big news, which is Shibarium is live, and that's the big thing, right? Is that Shibarium is live, and we can see the impact that it has. I think they brought out a lot of information talking about not only Shibarium and the different impact that you have for Shib, for Bone, for Leash, but also going into the metaverse and seeing how much of an impact that is, for Shib, Bone, Leash, everything that's in, the four main tokens that they said, including Treat, that they really didn't break down too much or even show any type of image for, honestly. So with everything that was said, it was great to have this announcement right from the start and the full break of Shibarium being live. Now, everything else that it got into when they talked about things outside of just information, where you had those skits that were going on, I think we could have done without those skits. Honestly, I think a lot of people in the chat were like, "What are we watching? Why are we seeing all of this drama and that's going on here?" And not like saying like people are arguing or anything like that, but like you have soap operas that you're watching or a full TV show that you're watching about Shib, and it's not really giving us any information when they could have used that slot to give us more information of how it's going to benefit other, tokens, other projects. And we didn't get that. So that's something that I think we could have had and we still can have. And I think you're going to get that from everything that we can bring you. So every single person that we can bring you, whether it's me or Clay Bro or someone else, that's out there talking about Shibarium, that's talking about Shiba Inu, that's talking about Bone, Leash, and all of those. Now, one thing that we did see happen was during all of this, today was not the most positive day. We saw a lot of things that were down. Bitcoin and Ethereum weren't even leading the way. They were growing in dominance, but it seemed like Shiba Inu, Bone, Leash, everything was really falling. But the differences was Bone during that time, during the announcement, about 5 o'clock into like 5:30, it was up to like a $1.75. And then we saw it dive down after, maybe like a few minutes. Within that 30-minute slot, it dove down to about a $1.40, I believe, or $1.30 or something, but it dove down quite a bit. Shiba Inu was already down about 4 or 5%, and it was continuing to fall down as different speakers were getting up here. People anticipating that we were going to get bad news. We didn't get bad news. We got really, really good news, seeing that Shibarium is live. So Shib dropped down. We saw Leash that has dropped down, but Bone had a little bit of an increase and now is down again as of the time of recording this video. But the saving grace that we can take from all of this is that Shibarium is finally live. Now, do I feel like the announcement was a success? No, I really don't believe that it was a success. I feel like they could have done so much better with explaining a lot of detail, but while also making it very, very entertaining for everybody, because it was exciting to see that that things were officially launched. But I think the main issue that we're dealing with, when it comes to Shibarium, is having that positive impact. A lot of people wanted it to completely skyrocket. They wanted to see Shib, go to the moon or go to the next level. They wanted to see even Bone or Leash go to the next level, and we didn't see that. We didn't see this overall gain. But the thing we feel like could be a little bit of a success is the fact that it's launched and that it's out here. Because if we would have just been trying to wait for the most positive time in the market, you could have put out an actual release date and it wouldn't have been positive. And it would have never been positive. We would have kept delaying and delaying and delaying it. And the fact that you now have the ability to do anything you want to on Shibarium that you wanted to do on Shibarium, it's fantastic. It's a great thing to see. So anyways, right now Shibarium is live. We're going to go through different testing. I'm going to take you through different videos and break down what can be done, what the burn rate's going to be, because again, we didn't get a breakdown anymore of what the burn rate will be, and maybe like how much it will technically burn for Shiba Inu. Maybe that's not their main focus. What they want to focus on is Bone. What they want to focus on is the positions that they created. So it's great to see that it's live. Fantastic to see that it's live, and I can't wait to see how much of an impact this has on Shib, and how much of an impact it has on everything else that's within this ecosystem here. But congratulations to anybody who said that it will go live no matter what. There's a lot of people that were doubting it because of the statements that were made on Twitter saying there's no official release date. But then you saw Satoshi come out and say, look, why would I release things then, yesterday, when you could release things now in a keynote? And they did do that, and I'm excited for it. So again, we will take you through everything, but I didn't want to take you through the whole announcement because it was like 15 or 20 minutes long. But if you want to check that out, I still have my live stream that's up, so definitely go and take a look at that. But guys, I'm gonna get out of here. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for being a part of this channel and getting me to 200,000 subscribers. I greatly appreciate it. It just means the world to me that so many people support me. And if you guys see me, feel free to come up to me and say, hey, how are you doing? I'm a part of 200,000 subscribers. It just makes me happy to be able to interact with you guys and talk to you about things that I'm really passionate about, which is investing. And if you're passionate about it as well, it just makes for a great conversation. So thank you again. I'm going to get out of here, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.